Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to enable call and message button on contact widget for iPhone or iOS 17. Now don't forget to hit that like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are updated whenever we upload a new video. Go ahead and stick until the very end so you don't miss a single detail. Now the first thing that we're going to do is we need to add that contact widget into our iPhone. So all we need to do is to go ahead and hold and press your phone without touching any of the apps until you can see this shaking. Then go ahead and click on the plus icon on the top left. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and search, and we'll be searching for contacts. Now go ahead and click on this, and then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click add widget. Now as you can see, we have added this widget into this. Now how do we add the message and the call button? All we need to do is click on done, and then we're going to be holding this contacts widget until it pops up like this, and then we can go ahead and click on edit widget. Now all you need to do is you can go ahead and select the contact that you want and then toggle on this show buttons right here. So you can go ahead and see your message and your call right there. And then once you click off it, then you should be able to see the call and message button on that contact widget. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.